In this repair video, we're going to be working on an iPad Pro 12.9 that came in because it does not work. Customer said, fix it and charge whatever money you want. Big question mark. Anytime a customer tells you to fix a device and charge whatever money you want, it means that device has been through a lot. He's given hope on that device, and now his last resort is the last person he's taken it to, and money is no longer an issue. That's what I learned dealing with customers throughout the 10 years that I've been in business. You kind of develop a sense, or you know what the customer means when he tells you to charge whatever money you want, because there's no normal human being that would go to a shop. I take my car to a dealership or to a repair shop and I tell him, fix it and charge whatever you want. It doesn't work like that. Unless I know that that particular problem cannot be fixed and I really need that tablet to work, then I go to a shop and I tell him to charge whatever you want. Now, looking at this tablet by my naked eye, I do see a burn mark on one of the coils. It's not something that you usually see on iPad Pros or any iPad. I never seen a burnt coil on any iPad, and I see one here. And this coil is right next to the backlight driver, backlight IC. Let's take a look under the microscope. Like I thought, we have a burnt coil. That's not a problem. We can remove it, solder a new one. But we have to know if there are neighboring components that are affected. Backlight diodes, probably both of them need to be changed. And we have the backlight IC. This can be changed also, and we have all components in stock. I can change all 4 components. Is that it? No, because it looks like work was done to this area of the board. Work was done to this area of the board here. And we see a huge mess between the layers of the board. Just take a moment of silence, think about it, and let me know what you think. Is this something that can be fixed? We do not know where those traces are going. Just out of curiosity, and it's not going to make any difference, but are those backlight filters good? Because everything else is blown. And they are still good. And we have the touch filter here. And the touch filter is good. We have another one here, and it's good. We do not know if there's anything else affected by this Hiroshima bomb that you see on the board here. This is one of the scenarios where we call it a no fix, and we just send it back to the customer. We cannot work on it. That's it. Let me know what you think. Write it down in the comments. I mean, last time we got a Nintendo Switch, it came in with replacement parts. It came in with the USB-C connector, and it came in with the P13 chip. Customer included those components. And I told you, anytime you get a device in where a customer includes replacement components, it means you're going to see nightmares on that board. It means the customer already attempted to fix the board. It did not work out, and he sent you whatever components he has left for you to fix. And I was right. We saw nightmares on that board. And today I told you the customer mentioned we can charge whatever money we want and get this fixed. And I told you that it's likely a no fix. I was right. I mean, dealing with customers every day, you kind of develop a sense on how customers think. When customers say something, you kind of read between the lines and know what the customer means by saying that thing. Only comes with experience. You kind of develop a pattern on what customers say and what customers mean. So I was right on this one, and I was right on the Nintendo Switch one. This iPad is going to be a no fix. We're going to call it off. It's not a repair video. And maybe I'll relax today and not have to edit a longer video. So that's it. And I'll see you again in the next video.